Just wearing makeup is not enough. Be aware and protect yourself.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I might sound a little low because everything that's happening, it has just affected me so much mentally. मैं कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ. I'm not being able to think, function, or just do anything. But you guys kept on requesting me to do and make this video. After I uploaded my Nykaa recommendations for skincare and hair care and body care, you guys just kept bombarding my DMs asking me to actually go ahead and make a video on makeup. My recommendations of all the makeup items that I will actually recommend you guys to go ahead and check out. So I'm sitting down here and sharing my favorites, my recommendation for the Nykaa sale. So yes, without further ado, let's quickly get started with today's video. Again, like the first video, मैं सब कुछ एक random order में दिखाने वाली हूँ. जो भी हाथ पे आएगा मैं उसके बारे में बोलते जाऊँगी. So these are all the stuff that I have. So the very first item that I have, ठीक है, makeup के बारे में घुसने के पहले I want to talk about this. मैं पिछले वाली वीडियो में भी मैं recommend की थी कि this is one of the hands down one of the best makeup micellar water I've used. Very gentle yet very effective. आपको अलग अलग oil based micellar water नहीं use करना होगा to break down your waterproof makeup. It just breaks down all your waterproof makeup and is very gentle on the skin. थोड़ा सा महंगा है, पर अगर आपको ये सेल पे मिलता है ना, प्लीज़ ले लेना. बहुत ही gentle है and ये आराम से जितना भी टफ हो आपका waterproof makeup आराम से ये निकाल देगा. Okay, then for powders, I have this one right here. Again, काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है मैं इसे यूज़ कर रही हूँ. आप हालत देख ही पा रही हो. I've been using it for such a long time. इसका लिखा हुआ सब कुछ ये उतर गया. It's basically the pack का टेक का वो loose powder in the shade banana. Again, मैं इसे यूज़ की हूँ आपके चेहरे पे and I've actually sealed my under eyes. कंसीलर के ऊपर मैंने इसे लगाया है to brighten my under eyes and it just does its work so well. बहुत ही सही एक makeup banana powder है. I love it. If you're looking for a good actually जो perform करता है banana powder, please go for this one. You can just see the highlight of this powder right here. सब कुछ उखाड़ दी हूँ मैं इसे रगड़ के use करके. So that's how you know it's actually such a beautiful product right here. Definitely go for this one. It's an Indian brand who is actually doing such a nice job. Then I have some of my tools, makeup tools right here. So this is actually a travel friendly one. So आपको ऐसे 4 brushes हेड्स मिल जाएंगे ताकि जब आप ट्रैवल कर रहे हो तो अलग अलग ब्रशेस कैरी करने नहीं होंगे. लगेज हल्के होंगे and you'll be able to do all your makeup with just one single brush set right here. Then I have this two right here. ये actually Real Techniques का मैंने लिया था. So this is what I use on a daily basis जब भी मैं makeup करती हूँ to set my under eyes using the powder that I just shared with you guys. Okay, this is the combo that I use in order to set my under eyes. Then I have this one from PAC. I use this in order to blend my contour and all of those. And again मैंने आज इसे ही यूज़ करके अपना contour किया है and it just looks so nice. बहुत ही अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट को disperse कर देता है. Does not just take away all of the product. And this is what it looks like. It's the T01 from PAC and it is such a beautiful dense brush right here. PAC has one of the nicest makeup brushes that I have used. Highly recommended. Then for blenders, ठीक है, मैं blenders पे ज़्यादा खर्च नहीं करती हूँ, ठीक है, क्योंकि I just change and try to change every 2 months, 1 month करके मैं हमेशा change करती हूँ. So this is the one that I am using right now. हालत देख पा रही हो, अभी भी मैंने इसे use करा है and this is how it actually looks. ठीक है, so this is the Bronson Professional Beauty Blend Sponge and मुझे ये Nykaa से ही मैं ली हूँ. Around 60 या 70 rupees का मुझे पड़ गया. So this is what it looks like. It is the same one just in black color and this is how it looks like when you first get it. So this is what I've been using and it just works so beautifully. I don't use a lot of eyeshadows, so मैं recommend नहीं करूँगी. जो मैं use करती हूँ, जो मैं use कर रही हूँ फिलहाल, वही सारी मैं चीज़ें दिखा रही हूँ. Otherwise, I have hundreds of products. देखिए, बहुत सारे मुझे products मिलते हैं, मैं खुद खरीदती हूँ, but मैं आपको वही चीज़ें दिखा रही हूँ जो मैं लगातार use कर रही हूँ on a day-to-day basis या फिर जब भी मैं makeup कर रही हूँ ना, I reach out for all of these products, and that is why I'm sitting down and recommending only those products that I genuinely use. I have this right here. The first is this one. Again, I've used it right here. This is an eyebrow pencil. आप देख पा रहे हो इसका हालत क्या है. इसका स्पूली भी खत्म
हो चुका है, ये निकल गया है, ये टूट चुका है एंड ये सिर्फ इतना ही बचा है. इसको घुमाऊंगी भी तो ये निकलेगा नहीं क्योंकि I just have this much left. So I'll have to go ahead and repurchase this. It is from Etude House and it just works so fine. Again, मुझे तो पता नहीं, अगर आप इतना डार्क पेंसिल ले रहे हो and if you go ahead and draw your eyebrows, obviously आप रावण जैसे देखोगे. Very sorry for my language, but yes, आपके पास भी दिमाग होना चाहिए. Go for a little lighter shade and it will just work so fine. I have here the shade called dark brown. Yeah, dark brown 01 and it just works so fine. आप देख पा रहे हो. It's very easy to blend, works perfectly fine. This was around like 200 something 50 rupees. Then I have this one right here. Again, I've been wanting to buy an eyebrow gel, but इतने महंगे 700-800 रुपए के मैं एक eyebrow gel क्यों मैं use करूँ? That's when I found this from Blue Heaven. This is the Blue Heaven Sculpt and Set Eyebrow Gel and this is what it looks like. This is not exactly what I wanted, ठीक है? Especially the shade का मैं बोल रही हूँ. Shade उतना match नहीं करा है, but जब मैं अपना eyebrow pencil से draw करके जब मैं इसे set करती हूँ ना, again I've used it right here. It just works so fine. ये थोड़ा सा light हो चुका है मेरे लिए. It's not the darkest of color, I would say. It just works so fine. It just sets my eyebrow and keeps it intact all throughout the day. Okay, so if you're looking for a decent eyebrow gel, you don't want to spend a lot of money, you can absolutely go ahead and get this. Works perfectly fine. Do not expect me to actually go on to recommend such high priced items only because मैं एक content creator हूँ and I am sent products. No, मैं जो use करती हूँ मैं वही सारी चीज़ें recommend करूँगी. ठीक है? So this is the next eye makeup that I have. This is the Mars का Double Trouble mascara. Again, I've been using it for so many years. It has double one for length and one for volume and it just creates magic. Again, मैंने इसे use करा है, मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ. So this is how my eyelashes look like. No drama, ठीक है? अपना काम करता है and it actually gives such a beautiful look to my eyelashes. So this is one of the best. ये waterproof नहीं है and I don't prefer using waterproof especially for mascaras क्योंकि आँख में चले जाते हैं, बहुत दिक्कत होता है. So I like my mascaras to be washable. बहुत ही gentle है on the eyelashes and very easy to actually wash it off. So this is what I've been using and I will actually recommend you guys to start using washable mascaras. So start using washable mascaras in order to protect your eyes, ठीक है? Just wearing makeup is not enough. Be aware and protect yourself. Let's start with blushes. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4 blushes. Particularly these are liquid as well as cream blushes. ठीक है? Even though I have oily skin, मैं तो बड़ा enjoy कर रही हूँ wearing all of this cream blushes and liquid blushes. So for liquid, I have this one. This is the Etude Water Tint and this is what it looks like. सारे लोगों को पता है ये बहुत ही popular है, सबको use already कर चुका है, but I'm still recommending it. अगर आपको बहुत ही college going no brainer वाला water tint चाहिए, lip and cheek tint, go for this. मैं पूरे college and masters में मैं सिर्फ यही पहनी हूँ, but yeah, you get a lot of different colors and it just works so beautifully. So if you're looking for a good lip and cheek tint, you can definitely go for this one. It just works so well. I have talked a lot about DM Beauty of how beautiful this actually is. My another restock is on the way. तो मैंने कल परसों ही मैंने order करा था. So this is the DM Beauty Mon Amour lip and cheek tint, I'll say, and this is what it looks like. मैं काफी दिनों से actually ढूंढ रही थी under rupees 500 या फिर 1000 का एक lip and cheek tint जो actually brown color में हो. And when I used this, that's when I knew it is such a beautiful brown shade that actually complements our Indian skin tone. बहुत ही सही लगता है. Then I have this to right here because मेरा ये वाला खत्म हो गया था ना, तो मैंने इसे मंगवाया था from Faye Beauty. This is the blush in the shade Silly. It is a brown blush but has a hint of coral in it. So मैं इसे पूरा brown नहीं बता पाऊंगी. It actually is such a beautiful blush. कोई problem नहीं है, बस मैं सोच रही थी कि ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा brown होगा जो मैं actually चाह रही थी. A brown, proper brown shade, but it has a hint of coral in it. तो वो हल्का सा coralish एक vibe देता है other than brown. So this is how it looks like. Very nice. मैं आपको swatch करके दिखाती हूँ. It looks brown, but जब blend करती हूँ ना, it has a coral in it, so वो थोड़ा सा coral orange भी हो जाता है. So this is how it looks like. Then I have this one right here. This is a very new discovery. I have a lot of other blushes from this particular range. ये मेरा सबसे favorite shade है. It is so subtle. This is what I'm wearing. आपको दिख भी नहीं रहा होगा, पर in real life ना आप जब देखोगे, you will be like, wow, what is this that you're wearing? It looks so nice. It looks like you have this natural flush of color. आपको लगेगा नहीं कि मैंने blush लगाया है, because it will feel like I'm blushing from within. ठीक है? So this is the Dream Beauty का blush and it is in the shade Lagoon Pink, and the packaging आप देखो पूरा silver foil packaging है. It looks like this. Then when I open this up, this is what the shade looks like. Oh my god, nobody will be able to say that you're actually wearing a blush, because it will just blend on the skin and melt onto your skin and look like you're actually blushing. Oh my god, it just melts on the skin. ठीक है, बहुत ही beautifully melt हो जाता है. Look at the swatch, it gives you such a beautiful flush. For contour, I have this right here. So this is the Inside Cosmetics का cushion concealer, and this is in the darkest one. This is actually a concealer, but I got the darkest shade and I use it as a contour, and मैंने इसे ही use करा है, and I blend this with the pack का brush right here, and it's so beautiful. कौन बोलता है कि कम पैसे वाली चीज़ें खराब होती है? No, it's not. It's how you actually, if you have the skill, you can make a cheaper looking thing look like $1,000,000. ठीक है? So this is how it looks like. The only problem is ये ना product रह जाता है, थोड़ा सा tacky हो जाता है. So what I do is I'll just go ahead and take it on the brush and just blend it like this. It was very cheap, around 300-400 rupees, and it just works so beautifully. Then I have my lip planners, and these are from Swiss Beauty and Mars Cosmetics. पता नहीं मैंने इतना दफ़ा इनको recommend करा है, and I'll keep doing it. So the ones that I have are from Swiss Beauty and Mars Cosmetics, and ये दोनों ही ऐसे similar shades में मैंने लिया है. These are cheap, works beautifully, and looks so nice on the lips. So I have the shade Edge of Desire from Mars in the shade 14, and Swiss Beauty Bold Matte Lip Liner in the shade 12. So these are what they look like. So if you're looking for a good performing lip liners in a budget, just get this. You're gonna love me for recommending this. Then I have my lip products right here. मैं ज़्यादा recommend नहीं करूँगी, बहुत गिन चुन के ये 3-4 मैंने लिया है. So if I have to run somewhere on the go and I want to look put together, this combination right here, ऐसे एक dark lip liner and Huda Beauty का liquid lipstick in the shade Trendsetter is my go-to. इसका मैंने travel size ले रखा है. This is my second one. एक और backup मेरे पास already है. My go-to favorite shade from Huda Beauty. Then I have this one right here from Mars. If you don't want to spend a lot on Huda Beauty का lipsticks, go for Mars का matte mousse in the shade 03 in particular. The shade is so nice, a very moussey texture, and oh my god, look at that. Oh, beautiful shade right here. Again, बहुत ही बेहतरीन formula है, very comfortable on the lips and looks so nice. A very beautiful shade. If I have to recommend any shade from this particular line from Mars, I'll recommend the shade 03. This one right here, Mars Matte Mousse in the shade 03, absolutely a banger shade. And lastly, I have these two lipsticks right here. So this one in the shade Madras Cafe from Nykaa Matte to Last lipstick is again, ये काफ़ी टाइम हो चुका है मैं इसे recommend करते आई हूँ. Chai is actually very dark for me, so I've been recommending Bombay and Madras Copy, and it looks like this. If you want a proper brown nude, go for this shade right here. Again, this is what it looks like. This is the shade Madras Copy. If you're looking for a beautiful brown nude, go for this one. A lovely, beautiful shade. I have another restock because I love it so very much. Then a recent discovery that I'm actually wearing on my lips is the Forever 52 Velvet Rose Matte Lipstick in the shade Peony. Oh my god. It is a neutral tone of peach nude lipstick, and it looks like this. Again, I've paired this with a dark lip liner that I already have shared with you guys, and it just looks so nice. Beautiful formulation. It looks like it will be patchy, but it's not. It looks like it's totally drying as well a matte, but it's not. I had this in mind कि oh my god, मैं जब इसे देखी थी ना ऐसे घुमा के, oh my god, this is going to be dry. It's going to crack my lips. बहुत ही गंदा वाला हालत होने वाला है. But जब मैंने इसे स्वाइप करा ना अपने लिप्स पे, I was just shocked. I think cool tone will look so nice on Indian skin. So मैं आपको swatch करके दिखाती हूँ और देखो कितना soft है ये. Oh, it looks so nice. The shade is just so beautiful. I don't want to waste it. Hamesha, most of the time out of stock right there. So this is the shade that I have swatched, in the shade Peony. It's a very beautiful, cool tone, peach nude color. It looks so nice. You can easily pair this with a dark brown lip liner. Now I'm left with my foundation, my skin tint, my concealer. So let's talk about my skin tints first. So this is the House of Makeup skin tint, and then I have the Dow Beautica Hue Drop Sheer Tint, and this is what it looks like. Love this. अगर आपको एक बहुत ही पतला सा वाटर लाइक स्किन टिंट चाहिए, देन गो फॉर द डाव ब्यूटी. आप लिटरली इसे ऐसे करके सुन पाओगे कि ये पूरा लिक्विड फॉर्मुलेशन का है. बहुत ही इवन कवरेज आपको देगा. इट विल लुक लाइक ओ माई गॉड, you're wearing nothing but you're actually wearing a skin tint. It's so light, gives you a beautiful coverage मैं बोलूँगी कि सिर्फ आपकी स्किन को इवन टोन बनाएगा. So if you're looking for that kind of skin tint, go for this one right here. But अगर आपको ऐसा हल्का सा, बहुत ही हल्का सा कवरेज चाहिए, you can see my pimple, my scars right here, my pimple that's just popping up. If you want a skin tint that actually gives you a dewy skin look, हल्का सा आपको कवरेज चाहिए, then go for the House of Makeup का skin tint. Looks nice, gives you a very dewy finish, looks like आप बहुत ज़्यादा glow कर रही हो, आपने बहुत स्किन केयर कर रखा है. तो if you want to give out that one, if you want this sort of like coverage, go for the House of Makeup ka skin tint. And right now the only full coverage foundation that I am using is this one. मेरे पास और कोई foundation है नहीं, मैं सब फेंक चुकी हूँ या फिर दे चुकी हूँ. And then this is the only foundation that I have. This is the Lua Beautica Luminous Veil Liquid Foundation, and it looks like this. This is just about to get over. I have to go ahead and repurchase this. Oh my god, this is one of the best foundations that I've used till date. It gives you such a beautiful coverage, hides all of your marks, scars, आप जो भी बोलो सब कुछ hide कर देता है, but it won't feel like you're wearing such a full coverage foundation. This is the best part. I right now hate wearing foundation, especially इतने गर्मी में. फिलहाल मैं अभी भी एक skin tint पहनी हूँ because मैं AC में नहीं बैठी हूँ. Whenever I feel like I have to wear a foundation, I'm going out. That's when I wear this, and ये full coverage foundation है, and you won't feel heavy, and that's the best thing about it. ऐसे कोलकाता के गर्मी में if I'm wearing this sort of foundation, आप सोच पा रहे हो कि it is so lightweight, ठीक है? Even though it's full coverage, I am not uncomfortable or I don't feel that heaviness on my skin, and that is the only reason मैं इसे रखी हूँ. And I've thrown away all my other foundation. I have the shade L5, and it just matches my skin tone, my skin so perfectly. एक shade ना आगे करना होगा ना पीछे करना होगा. This is like my perfect shade. For concealer, I'm using this one right here. बहुत सालों तक मैंने Swiss Beauty का use करा, so I just thought let's give something else a try. कोई और brand use कर लेती हूँ. So that's when I started using the Mars का Cancel Concealer with SPF 50. I don't know SPF 50 कुछ काम भी करता है कि नहीं, actually में true है कि नहीं, but this is what I am using as of now, and मैंने आज भी use करा है, and it just works very nicely. ठीक है? It is a very creamy concealer. थोड़ा सा मैं वक्त देती हूँ इसे लगाकर छोड़ देती हूँ, and then मैं अपना eyebrows वगैरह मस्कारा लगाती हूँ, and then I go ahead and blend this. तो ये बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से blend हो जाता है. So I have the shade. Do I have the shade written? Yes, Neutral Charm, and the shade is like this, very nice, cancel out most of my dark circles. I have not color corrected my under eyes, so जो आपको दिख रहा है it is just this right here, ठीक है? उसके ऊपर मैंने banana powder लगाया है to just amplify and brighten up my under eyes, so it looks like this. स्पॉट करेक्शन भी कर सकते हो, बहुत ही ब्यूटिफुली ब्लेंड भी हो जाता है. देन फॉर लिप ग्लॉस आई हैव दिस वन. सो यू हैव बीन आस्किंग मी, मैंने एक रील डाला था नायका का ही, मैं कोई रिकमेंडेशन करी थी, तो मैंने उस पे ना ये वाला लिप ग्लॉस मैंने पहना था, एंड यू गाइज अगैन बॉम्बार्डेड कि आपने कौन सा लिप ग्लॉस पहना है, इज इट एक्सपेंसिव, विच ब्रांड इज इट हुडा ब्यूटी? भाई नो, नथिंग. इट इज फ्रॉम द ब्रांड इनसाइड कॉस्मेटिक्स, एंड आई हैव द शेड 5 Truffle Brew, and it looks like this. This is the Inside Cosmetics का hydrating gloss, and it looks like this. This is a brown lip gloss, ठीक है? इस पे पूरा कलर भरा हुआ है. 3400 में आपको मिल जाएगा. So this is what the beautiful lip gloss looks like. Oh my god, I love it so very much. Look at that gorgeousness and that beauty right here. So if you're looking for a affordable, good performing lip gloss, especially a chocolate, I won't say chocolate, but a brown lip gloss, this is what you should get. Beautiful lip gloss. मैंने आपको अपना micellar water तो share करा है, but if you want to actually go for a good oil cleansing वाला makeup remover, I'll go for this one right here. I'll recommend this one right here. This is the DHC का deep cleansing oil and this is what I use because I have oily skin ना, तो मैं ज़्यादा हर वक्त में use नहीं करती हूँ, but हमेशा मेरे पास ये छोटू सा एक oil cleansing वाला oil रहेगा in order to actually deep clean all my makeup. If I'm wearing very heavy makeup, that's when I use this one in order to thoroughly clean my skin. Does not give me any clogged pores. कोई मुझे दिक्कत नहीं आया फिलहाल अभी तक जितना भी मैंने इसे यूज करा है. This is my second time purchasing this beautiful cleansing oil and I freaking love it. That's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. मेरे पास और बहुत सारे ढेर सारे मेरे पास makeup and fragrances हैं, but these are the actual products that I actually use on day-to-day basis and that's the only reason मैंने बहुत गिन चुन के मैंने आपको recommend करा है. So yeah, that's it for today's video and I hope you guys like it. सारे प्रोडक्ट के लिंक मैं डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दूंगी, आप लोग जरूर चेक कर लेना and I will see you guys very soon. तब तक के लिए take care and bye bye.